Hello students. Yes, so in my last video I had explained on the topic investment decision. Now we have understood how investment decision is going to have a major impact on generating the income for the organization. See, financing decision is something that which acts as a base, because that's how you are going to raise the funds or how much ever it is required for your organization from different sources. Of course, in Indian like prevailing market, you have a several options from where and all you can mint in the money, that is you can raise your money. But you as a financial manager of an organization, you are going to ideally take the decision with respect to from where all you have to raise in the funds. If I'm going to go for raising in form of loan, if I'm going to raise in form of debentures, what is the risk associated with that, right? So always it's not just the return, you will have to consider one more R, that is risk. What is the risk associated with that? What kind of investment will I even take up? Is it for short term, that is a current assets? Is it for a long period of time? Is it fixed assets, right? And investment can be putting your money into any kind of project, or else purchasing an asset. Yes, purchasing an asset, it can be a current asset or a fixed asset, right? And in order to you know like investing in terms of like there are various facts like treasury bills are there, ADR, that is American Depository Receipts, call money is there, derivatives is there. Under that you have options, forwards, futures contract, swap, right? So there are a lot many opportunities. So you as an investor, first you have to analyze what is the risk associated with this particular the portfolio. It's not just always the return. Of course, yes, always an investor invest with the purpose of making more money on what he has invested on that particular year. But the thing is that again, the safety factor, ensuring the liquidity, even that factors plays a vital role. All right, so now we should understand what is the importance of investment decision. Why should be there an investment decision? How it is going to have an impact, directly or indirectly? Of course, here in this case it is directly. Both financing and investment, they are going to have a direct impact on the profits, right? So it is that you will have to understand about the need also, where it is all about the large investment, right? See, it involves large investment, that is in terms of funds, and the funds available is limited, and the demand for the funds, it exceeds the existing resources, isn't it? So important for firm, it is to plan and control the capital expenditure. This is a very very important, and that the long term commitment of funds also plays a vital role. See, it involves not only the large amount of funds, but also the long term on permanent basis, isn't it? So it increases the financial risk which is like involved in investment decision, and greater the risk, greater the need for planning capital expenditure is like really very very important. And there can be a long term effect on the profitability. What does it mean? See, capital expenditure decisions, they are long term. Absolutely, and they have effect on profitability of a concern, and not only the present earning, but also the future growth, and how can maximize the profitability of the firm. Again, it depends on the investment decision which is taken on this day, that is on the present day, right? And the capital budgeting, it is needed in order to avoid the over investment or under investment. It shouldn't be like inadequate or excess. It should be like you want something which is optimal in nature. Even that is very important. And difficulties of investment decision, isn't it? You have uncertainties of a future where the decision extends to a series of year beyond, right? So the higher degree of risk associated, right? So all these going to play a vital role. And you have something called as a national importance, where investment decision taken by the individual concern is of national importance, because it determines the factors of employment, economic activities, and the economic growth as well, right? So If you ask me why it is so important, see, most investment platforms, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, they offer good returns on investment, that is over a long period of time. This return is going to build, create your wealth over the time, right? So the growth of money is also very important, that is, in order to fulfill the basic needs in life, and investing can help a person, isn't it, to meet the long term life goals as well. So now we shall understand what are the importance of investment decision. The first one what you have is, see, investment decision, that it is going to influence the firm's growth, that is, in the long run, and they affect the risk of the firm as well, right? You're gonna see, always make sure that you will have to maximize your profit while minimizing the risk. This concept should be there, and they involve, what do I say, the commitment of a large amount of funds which is dealt in the organization. They are all, like irreversible or reversible at some kind of, substantial losses, and they are among the most difficult decisions to make. Investing, yes, whatever, from where all you want money, you have got it. After that, what do you do, right? So this is very very important, and very a crucial decision. Now we shall understand one by one. First one is growth. What does growth talk about? See, the effect of investment decision, it extends into the future, and it is going to have to be, endured for a longer period than the consequences of the, the current operating expenditure. See, a firm's decision to invest, in long-term assets, it has been the decisive influence on the rate and the direction of its growth, how it is going to grow. And a wrong decision definitely will prove that in a kind of, devastating kind of result, for the survival of the firm. And the unwanted or the unprofitable expansion of the assets, again, it is going to result in heavy operating costs of the firm unnecessarily, right? So all these are going to, give act as a attributes, for the factor of growth, where inadequate investment in assets, it would make it difficult, for the firm to complete successfully and maintain its market share, right? So the next step what you have is risk. What is risk? See, a long term commitment of funds, it may also change the risk complexity of the firm as well. See, if the adoption of an investment, it is going to increase the average gain, but it is going to cause some kind of, fluctuations in its earnings. So the firm will become, like a more risky, where the investment decisions, it is going to shape the basic character of a firm, right? So that again, risk is one of the important factors that should be considered under the investment decision. Next up what you have is funding. See, investment decisions, they generally involve large amount of funds, as said, see, which make it, imperative for the firm to plan its investment programmers, like very carefully, and make an advance arrangement for procuring the finances, that is for both internally and for externally as well. It is very very important in order to keep in advance the arrangement of how it should be all procured finances, that is with respect to the with the internal environment and with the external environment. The next step what you have is irreversibility. What does it mean? See, all the investment decisions, they are irreversible. I mean to say, the most of them. See, it is difficult to find a market for, such the capital items once they have been acquired. So the firm will have to incur heavy losses if such assets are being, scrapped. So all these are irreversible. So a financial manager should be very careful at the time of making the investment decision. Next up is complexity. See, investment decisions, they are among the firm's most difficult decisions. See, there are kind of, the assessment of future events, right, which are difficult to predict as well, because we have a factor called uncertainty, right? So it is really, a kind of complex problem to correctly, estimate the future cash flows of an investment, where you have economic, political, social and technological forces, that which is going to act as a reason, cause for the uncertainty in the cash flow estimation. So the next step what you have is a taxation. Of course, whichever, see, it starts with your financing decision, what all the sources you are going to go ahead with. After that, after acquiring the sources, from different sources, the money or the funds, how you're going to invest. Is it in derivatives, in equity, you know uh, and the preference in mutual funds, is it in the options, futures, forwards, right? Always the more the profits, the more the tax you are liable to pay. So always, so you can't completely avoid it, is that you will have to, plan it how your tax, it should be minimized. So that talks about the factor of taxation. Again, it is going to act as, one of the, factors that which is going to directly influence, the on the investment decision. The last step what you have is inflation. Inflation is something, it talks about, uh, where the increase in the prices of the goods and the services. So you will have to see that at the time of making the investment, how the inflation rates are going to have an impact on your investment that you would like to do it. So again, all these are really very very important. You as an investor, you will have to consider all these aspects. If I'm going to, pick this particular project A or this particular portfolio, what is the growth? Growth is not something which is immediately achieved. It is something, which talks about, the deferred consumption. Today I'm going to invest, immediate next year or next year I'm not going to get it. With that particular planning, you will have to bring it in form of procedure, in form of action, right? And with that, if you want the return, what is the risk you are taking, how you are tackling that particular risk, right? And how the funds is been happening, how the large, amount of funds is being managed, how, in advance the arrangement of procuring finances, internally and externally are happening, right? And all these are irreversible. So make sure that you find a market, for such capital items, instead of, incurring heavy losses in the future. Then complexity, of course, it is one of the most difficult decisions, where you have to estimate, the future cash flows of an investment by considering all such factors like social, political, technological, isn't it? So the next step is the taxation, where at the time of, making the decision over the investment, again the taxation which is attached with the portfolio, what to take up, that matters a lot. Try to avoid, that is, try to, so not avoid, try to minimize the tax. You can't avoid, of course, that is by default. When you are able to make more the money, then you are attracting, by attracting, to the government in form of paying tax. And inflation, of course, the increase in the price of the products and services, again it can also have no impact on the investment decision. Well, this is all about the importance of investment decision.